packing to go to Barcelona. So I'm using compression packing cubes to kind of just get everything to fit in there, and it's been like it's been a workout, okay? So I'm gonna finish this up, and then me and my friend, we're gonna Uber to the airport, and then I'll see you there. You're gonna bring that many followers?
Yep.
So we're on our way to get coffee and croissant. Ah! We have no idea where we're going though.
We're lost.
Emma, we're going the right way?
Yeah, actually, yeah. We're gonna go left and go to that one?
Yeah, up here. Ooh. Let's go. Let's go. Still finding that coffee and croissant. We finally got the coffee and the food.
What?
Oh, they're gonna hear in the videos Claire asking where's my latte.
Where's my latte?
I got my iced coffee. Well, iced latte. Hey, what did you get?
I want ice. I order iced latte too.
Oh.
Alexa, crema catalana para llevar, por favor. Vale.
No one is recording it. They're so cute though.
No.
Is it good? It's hot. It's hot. It's hot. It's hot. It's hot.
It's a grilled cheese. It's not tart. It's not tart. It's not tart. It's good though, right?
It tastes like something. Is it really?
It doesn't. To me it does.
No, it tastes better.
It's good, right? The ham makes it different. I think that firm's better.
I like cured ham, that's why. Eh?
I don't like
I eat this for a whole entire
I
trip.
do it all the time. It's good.
Like, it's like crunchy. It's yeah.
This is what I want at home because the ham is different.
If I
did this, we get croissants. I wanted this next time. It's a lot of cheese. It's good cheese.
But it bounces off the ham.
Oh shit. People say you're not supposed to be lactose intolerant. Because they use different milk.
We're making paella. We'll be making paella.
Can I just eat it? Can you see it in real life? Yes. Now I pay attention.
Okay, which one of mine is that?
That one.
Yeah, it's really noticeable.
Okay, let's all go get it. Yeah, we should. Seafood for her stall. She's the only person who runs her stall, and she runs it 6 days a week. And the market's closed on Sunday, so that's her only day of rest. Poor lady. But she is a legend. She gets the best seafood for us.
Juice? Is that the time for juice now? Okay. Oh, the juice is over there. Juice.
Flavor? Oh, I
Who has the money? I'm hungry. There's watermelon. Down here. It's like $10, right? Which one do you want? Over there. It's a card. These are hard. Yeah. I like animals a lot. Okay, Mom. Claire, your turn. We need to use card.
What do you guys want? We should save the cash for it.
I think we all want watermelon.
No, watermelon is mango papaya, I guess.
Mango papaya, so 3 watermelon and 1 mango papaya.
I don't want to sound sweet. Mango cocoa.
mango. I think this is a passion fruit, right? No, this is kiwi and orange.
Coco mango.
Here, which one do you want?
1 euro? Okay, thank you very much.
We have, oh wait, I have here. 3 watermelon.
3 watermelon.
And then what do you want? 1 mango cocoa. And 1 mango cocoa.
Okay. 1, 2.
Choose.
Okay?
Yes.
Thanks.
Not a pot.
I feel like the credit card conversion is better, right?
Yeah. It definitely is. You want the bank one.
Yeah, the bank conversion is better, right?
Yeah, it definitely is.
Yellow.
I always want to do the euro option.
Well, yeah. Thank you. It's weird. It doesn't taste, it tastes weird.
Yeah.
It's weird. What is this?
It's not.
It's not watermelon. It doesn't taste like watermelon, right? It's like water and watermelon. I don't know. It's weird.
If it's agua fresca.
I was imagining like a smoothie or slush. It's weird. But we got juice, so. Wait, Claire, let me know how it goes. How is it? How is it? Disappointed?
It's,
Stuff? Yeah, I think you have to like use this pick and pick it up.
I could not.
I saw that face. Good?
It's not as good.
Not as good? Why? Oh no. Okay. Well, we'll head back now for the paella class.
Some lovely volunteers. 2 volunteers to start off with stirring. Anyone else? There you are. So if someone wouldn't mind passing you an apron, we've got someone with an apron on. Because it's really just the guys with who are going to be stirring that needs an apron. So can someone donate one? Okay, we've got one. So I'm going to add it into the cold oil just because I don't want the oil to splash. And then you guys can get started. There's pretty big chunks of the seafood, but that's okay. I'm going to snip them once the seafood softens a little bit. It just makes it easier. And then over here, can I get some chopped veggies for me? So I've got some peppers, I've got some onions. Any takers for chopping? Yourselves, yeah? So if one of you wouldn't mind doing onions and one of the peppers, and you can add the okay. And you can dice them into big chunks. So you can use your chop. I think you took it. Sorry.